Hi, this is Rhiannon from the Contract Express team. This video will show you how to organize your template questionnaire. You can organize your questionnaire with the dictionary editor. Click on the questionnaire folder and you will see a representation of what your questionnaire will look like on the left-hand side. Your unallocated variables, i.e. those which haven't yet been placed in the questionnaire, will appear in this folder. Any computation variables will appear at the bottom within the computable folder for ease of reference. The first thing we need to do is to create questionnaire pages for the questions to go in. Click on the plus icon and select New Page. Then give your page a title. This will be the heading that appears at the top of the questionnaire page when it's run. Alternatively, you can also right-click on the questionnaire folder and choose New Page. Then add your page title exactly as before. If needed, you also have the option of adding guidance via the Guidance tab, which can help your users through answering the questionnaire. Within each questionnaire page, we also need to add groups. Again, you can do this in two ways. The first is to select the page, click the plus icon, and then choose New Group. You can now enter your group name. Alternatively, right-click on the page and choose New Group. Give your group a title exactly as before, and you can repeat this as many times as you need to, depending on what your questionnaire looks like. As with pages, you can also add guidance to groups via the Guidance tab if required. Now that we've created our pages and groups, we can now add the variables into the questionnaire. To do that, simply drag and drop the variables into the order that you want. Remember, you always need to drag and drop variables into a group rather than into a page directly. You can also drag and drop multiple variables at the same time. Simply select all of the variables and drag and drop them together. At any stage, you can always rearrange your variables simply by dragging and dropping them into the order that you now want them to appear.